In the past decade, industrialized countries have been hit by a severe economic crisis. Emerging countries experienced unprecedented growth rates, and despite the efforts made by all the countries, the Millennium Development Goals are still far from being achieved. Globalization made the world more and more connected, but at the same time, it also exacerbated inequalities. While environmental issues increase, resources become more scarce, armed conflicts continue to spread, the impact of chronic diseases grows, and migration from the south of the world towards the industrialized countries of the north reached the highest levels of the past centuries, thanks to the development of the transportation and communication sectors. In this context, how can we build a more fair and sustainable future? We need to start from health, to promote human development, reduce inequalities in the world, put people at the centre, and focus on the factors that determine their well-being. Taking this approach means taking a global approach to health. Tuscany region has always been committed to promoting the right to health as a fundamental human right. Today, Tuscany has decided to host at Mayo Hospital the first global health centre, reference point for health staff, academics, third sector and public administrators. The centre compares different health policies and determinants of health in order to highlight existing inequalities. Funds and coordinates cooperation initiatives in order to promote joint growth of our health system and those of other countries. Spreads knowledge on emerging diseases in order to make their cure more effective in our territory. Contributes to the improvement of prevention and treatment pathways for migrant citizens in order to keep all the population healthy and active. Promoting global health does not benefit only distant populations from other parts of the world, but rather it produces positive impacts for all of us. It helps us rethink our services to make them more accessible, more functional, and overall more human. A more fair and sustainable world is a world that guarantees the right to health.